This is how you measure the resistance using this color-coded chart. Each color represents a number. For example, black is 0, brown is 1, red is 2, orange is 3. You get the idea. Now, take the first two bands or the first three in case of a 5-band resistor, or the first two in case you have a 4-band resistor. Substitute each color for the respective number. Let's look at this example here. The first one is green, so that would be 5. The second one is blue, and that would be here 6. Then look at the last two bands. The one before last is the multiplier. So this color yellow represent the multiplier. Now we have 56. We're going to multiply by a yellow, which is 10 kilo ohm. That will result in 560 kilo ohm. The very last band is the tolerance. So this is gold, and you can see here under the tolerance column, the gold is plus or minus 5%. Let's look at this other example here. This is a 5-band resistor. So we're going to take the first three and substitute the numbers for red, orange, and purple. That will be 2, 3, 7. The multiplier, which is the band, the one before last is black, and the multiplier is 1, meaning the number stays the same, because anything multiplied by 1 stays the same. The very last band is the tolerance, and that will be, this is the tolerance here, and that's a brown. So it'll be plus or minus 1%, as you can see here. Now you know how to measure or read the resistance without needing a multimeter. Still, using a multimeter probably easier, but at least now you know how to do it. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one.